Everyone makes the same mistake when starting a SaaS, and it kills their momentum before they even begin. They spend weeks planning their idea, designing beautiful scenes, and thinking about features. But the truth is, they never talk to a real user who would use that app, right? So they never test if the problem is even worth solving. And by the time they realize it, they've already burned out or given up. Let's not do that, alright? Let's not. Let me show you how can you actually start the right way. Alright, this is what you actually need for a start. This is the only thing, okay? So this is what I call the real MVP formula. Alright, so you almost always, in every single thing that you do, you need to have some sort of problem, right? So you just have to find some problem that people are dealing with every day, and then you get a mini solution to that problem. You don't need to create a fancy 10 plus feature app with some crazy dashboards and AI tools everywhere and that kind of stuff. You just need one simple solution, one simple feature that deals this problem, right? So then after you build your MVP with only one feature, maybe two features, if you're really sure about your app and it's gonna blow up, so then you launch it and get end user feedback. Alright, as I was saying, you get one user who deals with this problem every single day, and he give you a feedback about your MVP. Is it good? What you have to fix, and everything beyond. Alright, so you just need one user. You don't need 1 million people on your app to start, you know? You just need one feedback, and from then on you develop other things that this user is thinking you can improve, my bad, and continue building the app. And that's iterate. Alright, now we're gonna get into signs that you're not ready. Alright, don't look at this, we're gonna get through it later. Alright, so first, you're obsessed with how it will look instead of who will use it. You need this app to have users. You don't need this app to look perfect in every single detail. You don't need specialized, super magnificent, I don't know, whatever you call it, perfection dashboard, perfection every detail, every page. You don't need 10 pages, you don't need 13 different features. You just need to think, who will use this? Who is this app gonna solve some sort of problem, alright? This is first thing. Second one, you're watching YouTube videos all day but not talking to people. Alright, you need let me say this. How do you expect someone or anyone to see your app for the first time, and based off your idea and how you think it will look like, everyone will like your idea? No, of course not. You have to talk with people more, ask them about some opinions, alright? They will give you some opinions, you can take them or no. So you just need to talk with more people, don't just watch YouTube all day, alright? Okay, the last thing is, you think you need everything before you launch. That's actually why I said in this step, this sign, so dashboard out, admin panel, etc. You don't need all of this to start. Alright, so we have Bob and let's say Will. Alright, so Bob is the ideal founder. He has $1 million idea, builds the perfect app from day one, gets users instantly, everything goes smoothly. He have investors, he have whole team building app, everything perfect, you know. And then we have a real founder, what was that? Will, right? He changes the idea 3 times in a first month, spent 3 hours fixing one button, gets 0 users after launch, doubts themselves daily, learns everything while building. Alright, so who do you think will make the better SaaS? Who will make the better app? I'll wait. You can type in the comments right now. Alright, I hope you did said something. So everyone wants to be the ideal founder. Perfect idea, smooth launch, instant success, right? But if you think that's how it works, you'll get crashed when reality hits, right? The real founders is the one who keeps going despite the setbacks, learns on the fly, and ships imperfect products. That's what you need in this industry, right? If you want to start, you need to accept that you'll be the real founder first, right? And that's totally okay. You can't build something perfect when you're starting, right? Here is the part where most people mess up. What being ready actually means. Some of y'all think that being ready means that you've watched every single YouTube tutorial there is, that you have everything planned out, your branding is done, your idea is perfect, you don't need to change anything, you're ready to go. Alright. But what being ready actually means is that you're willing to start before you feel ready. Okay, you will never feel ready to start anything. And for some of you that are telling yourselves, I'm gonna start on Monday, I'm gonna start next month, oof, I can't deal with this today. Not just with building an app, with everything, training, clean diet, anything possible in life. If you're telling yourself you will start when you are ready, you're lying to you and you know that. Alright, you're ready with launching something that might fail. So what that means is you're okay with launching something that might fail. So you have to be okay. You don't have to put that much time and effort into something that will maybe fail. You just need to put a little bit effort and a little bit time into that and see if get some users feedback, as I said, and then you will see if you want to continue going with this. You don't want to waste 3 months and $10,000 on it and see it crashed. So you're open to feedback and ready to pivot if needed. You need to understand that your idea is not perfect, okay? You maybe have a great idea, but it's never perfect. You always can add some details that are going to benefit your application. And you're not waiting for permission, you're giving it to yourself. You don't wait for no one that tells you you can start this time, you can start when you get to this point. You're giving permission to yourself. That's the most important one. If you want to build your own SaaS, don't build it inside your head, right? Don't build it inside your head. Just start small, start ugly, just start and you will figure everything out eventually, right? If you want to build your mobile app, SaaS, whatever it is, but you don't know how to code, you don't want to waste a lot of money on agencies, you can book a direct one-on-one call with me through my calendar link. It's in the description of this video, and I'll be more than happy to talk with you how we can improve your idea and how we can turn it into something real, fast, affordable, and most importantly, better.